Hey guys, welcome back with me again in this channel. So on today's tutorial, I'm going to show you what really happened when you drown in Abyss Roblox. So we've seen the screen go dark, but what actually happens to your loot? So drowning in Abyss is more than just a respawn. It's a major setback if you don't know the mechanics. So in here, I'm going to break down the what will happen when you drown in the games. So I'm going to break down the experience lose, what happens to the fish in your inventory, and the secret state that most players don't notice. So once you lose your oxygen, you'll be drowned in the sea in here, and after that you'll be respawn to the dome in here. But there is more to that. So once you lose your oxygen, you can see that there will be a warning like this, and once you lose it all, you'll be respawn, and after that you'll also lose some cash like this. Respawn at base and lose 25% of your catch and also some cash. You can just click on respawn in here. So that's it. So I lost 2 fish and also $17 cash. So if you don't want to lose cash and also lose your precious fish, don't let your oxygen running out. So if you see the warning, you just need to go back to the land in here as soon as possible. So that's all from me. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and also click on thanks.